Hello, hello guys, hope you are fine and welcome to another new video from Al Qudra, the oasis in the middle of Dubai desert. I call it a secret lake because actually I discovered it by accident one day driving around. Mostly there are no people here, especially during the weekdays. Maybe once only I came across someone being here. However, the rest of times I came here, I was always alone. So it's a perfect place to relax. That's why I don't like to go much to the other lakes in Al Qudra because they are mostly very busy and you are practically never alone. It kinda looks like parks in Europe, maybe just not taking in consideration the fact that there is a desert around. But just to clarify, this lake is artificial, just like a lot of lakes here in this desert nearby. Today the weather is amazing. If I could compare it to, it's like, I guess, a peak of summer day in Europe, but also with a nice breeze, so it's very pleasant to sit here. I took my book with me, so I am gonna relax a little bit. To be honest, I was at home working on laptop and I felt so sleepy and I knew I had to go out. For example, from my place going to the mountains, it's gonna take more than 1 hour, but this place is within 1 hour driving, so it's just a quick getaway from the city that I can do on daily basis. Okay, I guess I will finish talking about boring stuff for now. Hope you're having an amazing week and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon inshallah in the next video. Bye salama.